You probably don't know this, but here's a simple remedy that can really help with coughs and colds. Take 2 lemons, peel them, and slice them up. Then, grab a bit of raw turmeric and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Toss everything into a pot with 2 cups of water and let it boil down until it's nice and concentrated. This drink is fantastic for anyone dealing with mucus in the chest or a runny nose. Now, if you're feeling that annoying eye twitch or have a tight lump under your rib, mix half a glass of warm water with a sprig of mint, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of baking soda. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then drink it 3 times. It's a great way to release all that trapped air in your body and soothe those pesky symptoms. Give it a try.